Okay mga paps, so it's another day naman dito sa Boracay. Sa mga wife pa nakabalo, may-ari na dito sa Boracay nga legit nga martial arts gym, no? It's called Legacy. Sa more dito sa Boracay. So naisip ko nga magpadayon sang akon nga Muay Thai or boxing training sa gym dito. Para legit, no? Maging contact na ako nga trainer dito sa Legacy. He said niya available gid siya mag-train sa akon. So, ang schedule namon is later na. So, makatun ako to. And let's get it on. Alright, so why ko balo ko nung sakyan ko pakadto to. May nag-offer sang 8-track ya. Ako lang isa 150 daw, pero tsaga ko do kamahal gid. So, mangita lang ko isang sakayan ko dire sa main road yo. I think barato malang atan kaya do kalapit malang do mga less than 5 kilometers ng Legacy from Henan Hotel. I'm sure may mas barato nga transportation bakadto to. So mangita ko isang tricycle nga pwede sakyan bakadto sa Legacy sa Diniwid. Bro, sa Diniwid sa Legacy? Legacy din? Oo. 100? 100? Oh, sige, okay. Alright, sorry nakita sa tricycle ko bang. Ano kalayo no? Ang Legacy? Layo ba sir? Layo agad? Mga 5K? Ano po siguro? Okay. Salamat kid. Pasaka dire ho ang gym. So masaka kita ni. Okay. Okay, medyo matuhon. Nang chinilas na lang ko ba. Mido pa. May ni kay saka pa lang exercise na blaw. Okay. Padulhog naman. I think I'm on Negoro. Good morning.
How you doing? You right?
Yes. It's my first time here, but I've been hearing about this place for quite some time now.
Now you're here, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, we've just opened up back again. So,
Good. You have classes now or not yet? For now?
Yeah, we have classes. Normally we have them at 10 o'clock, but I cancelled them this week.
So let's start with what?
Let's do some stretching and health.
Sure. Okay. Okay, I'll just change.
So what we'll do, we'll just start off with like dynamic stretching. So we'll just get the body poised for action.
Right,
just
right,
get ready.
okay.
So I normally do it from top to toe.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's all we need to shake that up. We're pretty loose. You know, our muscles are ready.
Coach Dave is wrapping me up.
Let's get right.
Yeah, for Valentine's.
Is that okay? Not too tight?
That's okay. During your peak days, how busy is this place?
Could have like 20 each class kind of thing. Yeah, I mean,
Wow.
four classes. Beach conditioning in the morning, 8 till 9:30. Then come back, do some boxing. Then 4 o'clock you'd have Muay Thai or boxing.
Jiu-jitsu?
And then, yeah, 6 o'clock jiu-jitsu or MMA.
Oh, right.
How's that feel so far?
Feels good.
Feels short. Always try and look after them. We got a little bit extra this time. I've calibrated how long these were.
You learned from my right hand.
Yeah, it's like, okay.
Yeah, feels great. Feel much
Feel
better.
good,
Yeah, much better.
What we do, we get on this bag, freestyle on that bag, then I can see what's happening.
Okay.
I can make more of an assessment if I'm watching rather than.
Let's do the bag first.
Yeah,
so you can.
let's do that bag first. So
All right.
I know what's going on. I can see what we're dealing with.
Okay. Okay, mabag tanay. With a kick too?
Yeah, go more time this time.
Just tell me that I can.
Yeah, nice man, that's fine.
Coach Eb is getting ready.
Yeah, gearing up.
Yes, it's also a workout for you too. Teaching, coaching, right?
Yeah,
It's a good exercise too.
great, isn't it? Definitely.
Shin guards, so it's safer.
Yeah, just if I want to throw something at you, just a block and return or something, just a little shin on shin.
Yeah.
Ooh. Come over the top into the straight. Step in. Yeah, let's just twist up that again. How about? Oh, lovely. Nice, go. Nice. Yeah. Oh, I felt that one. Left. Nice. And again. And again, yeah? Go, 1, 2, boom. As soon as that hits, that comes out. That foot comes. And as soon as I land that, the weight's back on that and it twists. A lot of people will do this. Heavier you are on this leg, the more twist you get. So you have to come, you have to step, physically step, and then twist.
You should feel the ground on your.
For sure.
Yeah.
You're heavier on this.
Okay.
Most of the weight's been transferred, and that's the punch. Then in real time, it should be something like.
Okay.
That's fast. That's very fast.
Okay.
Oh, what? I'm not saying it's very fast.
No, it's fast.
Amazing. As soon as that first jab is felt, the right hand's following it so much quicker.
Yeah.
You want to give that a go and just see what that's like?
Yeah.
Right. You want this to smack yourself in the cheek, and that's laser. You catch someone like that, and that's... Okay, yeah. That's better. Yeah, no, that's nice.
Weight on the back. Consciously thinking about it.
No, that's what you should be doing.
Okay.
Land on the toe. Up. Yeah, much better. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, lovely. See the bag? Yeah, lovely. It's very narrow, you're like this.
Yeah.
You're almost, when you're moving this way, you're almost crossing your foot.
Yeah.
And keep that. You've got lovely stance normally like that. It's just getting a little bit narrow. Be aware of that, yeah? Too much. But again, it depends on style. If you like that inside, boom, fine, fine. So if I'm here like this, I mean, say you go to jab, I'm like that. But if you punch me there, it's like, fucking hell. I have to reboot again.
But if it's on the head.
If it's in the head, whatever.
More mobile.
So especially if you want to come in. So if you have your hands up like that, and I'm on the clubs. Right.
Target the chest. Come in. Chest.
Yeah, again.
That's all I need, actually.
It's nice, isn't it, like this area? I always do a bit of weight stuff.
Any words for my viewers? Maybe you can repeat those things you just said to me. I mean, you can invite them over.
Oh, please, guys, come down to Legacy Gym. Come for a workout. Show me what you're made of, and I'll put you through your paces. And if you need anywhere to stay, go to Boracay Backpackers.
All right.
It's a great place.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Dave,
guys. Cheers.
what's the full name again?
Dave Cope.
Dave Cope. Okay. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Thanks. Then my yaya would have cooked me a nice meal.
That's right.
My daughter will be asleep. I have a routine. I
Yeah.
know.
So you're gonna go back again there later?
Yes.
In the afternoon?
Yeah, I'll be back after
To do some classes.
Yep. Do some boxing.
Yeah. Mga paps, so thankful gid ako kay Coach because it's actually a private lesson now. Yeah, and that was great. Yeah, a private lesson. You can coach ako sa mga sala ko sa boxing stance ko, sa footwork ko. So it's great, no? I have another eye to Wow.
Yeah, just bring that back foot.
Yeah.
You'll whip,
See, he remembers. Yeah.
you'll whip that right hand through to quicker.
Yeah.
You know, speed kills.
So I'll take that back in Iloilo. Ay, ano ko mga tips siya sundon ko.
Bit of a workout coming down the hill. Just
I was about to tell you that climbing up here is already a warm-up.
I've fallen down here quite a few
Yeah.
times.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 'cause I've
Yeah.
just been so tired.
Yeah.
And it's that little slip,
Yeah.
and then like
Yeah,
all
that's
your
right.
toes
Yeah.
get bashed up, and
It gets slippery when it's raining, right?
yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Like this bit here used to be.
Oh. That's it.
Yeah, look me up on Facebook, man.
Okay. Okay, I'll find you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
find you. You can run, but you can't hide. Best to get up there.
So it's cheaper if I'm with other people, right?
Yeah, for
Okay.
sure. I got my bike here, so
Okay.
it's been a pleasure, man. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed it.
Okay, coach. Stay safe. Thank you very much. So, namin ang training ko to kay Coach Dave. So, lakat-lakat tadi. Kung may makita tang tricycle, kung tatahon ta pabalik sa Henan. Good workout session. Do kinapoy man ko ba? Out of shape na ko. Patamaan niya gid ko. Grabe si coach mo. Alright, so ari na kita. Nakasakay na kita sa 8 like balik sa Henan.